Hey, Nemo, have I ever told you about our family's history and where we came from?
No, Dad. Tell me. I want to know everything.
Well, settle in, Nemo. Our story is quite a journey.
I'm ready, Dad.
You see, long before you and I swam these waters, there were ancient fish not too different from us exploring the vast ocean.
Really? What were they like?
They were like pioneers, Nemo, venturing into the unknown, much like we do now. They were our ancestors, swimming among the coral reefs, seeking out safe havens.
Where did they go? Are they just like us?
Well, yes and no, Nemo. There are 30 different species of anemone fish that have radiated into 2 different genuses, which are like special branches on the family tree of fish. Even though we all may look a little different, like clownfish, we still share a lot of similar traits. That's pretty cool, right?
So, that's how we became blackfin clownfish?
Exactly, my child. Our distinctive black fins, our vibrant colors, they're all a testament to the journey of our ancestors, the challenges they faced, and the beauty they discovered along the way.
Do all clownfish have to find anemones to live in like we do?
Well, that's where our story gets interesting. You see, our ancestors, they didn't always live with anemones. They had to learn how to survive in this underwater world.
How'd they figure it out, Dad?
Through trial and error, Nemo. They discovered that certain sea creatures, like anemones, offered protection from predators, and so over time, they formed a remarkable bond with these creatures, just like we have with our home here.
But if so many clownfish like anemones, can we all find somewhere to live in?
That's a great question, Nemo. Some clownfish are like jack of all trades. They're called generalists. It means they're super friendly and they can hang out with lots of different types of anemones. There are other clownfish who are like loyal buddies, and they're called specialists. These special clownfish have one specific type of sea anemone that they love to hang out with, just like having a best friend. They know each other really well and they stick together all the time.
Wow, that's fantastic.
It is, Nemo, and as generations passed, our ancestors adapted and evolved, each new species finding its own niche in the ocean. In fact, us blackfin clownfish can only live in a few types of anemones, like the magnificent sea anemone and the giant carpet anemone.
Wow, I never knew we came from something so diverse. I'm proud to be a part of this family, Dad.
And I'm proud to call you my child, Nemo. Our history, our ancestry, it's what makes us who we are. And as long as we remember where we came from, we'll always find our way home.
Thanks, Dad. I always remember.
There's still so much more to learn, Nemo. Our family's history is just a small part of the great tapestry of life in the ocean.
Tell me, Dad. I want to know everything.
Sure, Nemo, you can ask away.